How to stop an app from downloading on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Then scroll down until you find and tap on Screen Time. On the Screen Time page, scroll down again and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, tap on the first option in the list, iTunes and App Store Purchases. This opens a menu that controls app installations, deletions, and in-app purchases. Then, tap on Installing Apps. Finally, change the setting from Allow to Don't Allow. Confirm it by tapping on the check mark. Now, you can view it as changed to the Don't Allow option. With this restriction enabled, it is no longer possible to download and install new apps from the App Store onto the iPhone. Following these steps, you can easily stop an app from downloading on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.